Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Oppo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to add fingerprint lock data in Oppo mobile. Friends, you want to add fingerprint lock data, you want to use fingerprints in Oppo mobile. Friends, you have one fingerprint lock, you want to use 2, 3, 4, 5 fingerprints. So friends, now let's see how to add fingerprint lock data one by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, I have only one fingerprint lock and you can check. I can unlock my mobile only with my thumb, and I want to unlock my mobile with 3 and 4 fingerprint lock. How to add? Open your phone setting, scroll down here, open your phone password and biometric setting, open your phone fingerprint lock setting, enter your password. You have pattern, draw pattern, you have pin password, enter pin password. Click here add fingerprint option. Which fingerprint friends you want to use, you can add and you can use. Example friends, I will add my second fingerprint lock data in my Oppo mobile. So when touch and remove different move, and you can use your fingerprint lock setting, you can unlock your Oppo mobile with 2 fingerprint lock. So friends, we will touch and remove different move, and friends if you only touch, so friends you can say fingerprint lock will not add. Touch and remove different move, and you can use fingerprint lock data setting, you can add fingerprint lock data. Done option, click here. Friends, I have 2 fingerprint lock and you want to rename any fingerprint lock, so friends you can rename. Second fingerprint lock friends, I will name here fingerprint lock. Add, click here, fingerprint lock will rename. Again click here add fingerprint option. You want to use 3 fingerprint lock, so you can add one more fingerprint lock in Oppo mobile, and friends you can unlock your Oppo mobile with 3 fingerprint lock. So when touch and remove different move, you can add your fingerprint lock and you can use. If you only touch, your fingerprint lock will not add. Touch, remove, and you can use your fingerprint lock. Done option, click here. Off your screen. So friends, now you can unlock your Oppo mobile 3 fingerprint lock. Friends, first I can unlock my Oppo mobile with my thumb. Second, off screen. Last, third one. So like that friends, you can unlock your Oppo mobile with 3 fingerprint lock, and you want to unlock Oppo mobile with 4 fingerprint lock. Again open your phone password setting, open your phone fingerprint lock setting, click here add fingerprint lock setting, you can add one more fingerprint. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.